The 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection is the primary and recommended method for connecting your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless headset to your PC for gaming. This method provides the lowest latency at just 15 to 20 milliseconds, ensuring optimal gaming performance. First, locate the USB wireless receiver that comes with your headset. This small device is essential for the 2.4 gigahertz connection. Insert the USB receiver into a USB port on your PC. For best performance, use a USB 3.0 port if available, as it provides better power delivery and data transfer rates. Next, power on your headset by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The headset will automatically search for and pair with the USB receiver within 10 seconds. Windows will automatically install the necessary drivers. For the best experience, download and install the HyperX Ingenuity software, which provides advanced customization options and features. Finally, configure your Windows audio settings. Open the Sound Control panel, set the headset as your default audio device, and configure your microphone levels. You can also enable spatial audio for an enhanced gaming experience. Your 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection is now complete. This setup provides a range of up to 20 meters, ultra-low latency of 15 to 20 milliseconds, and up to 300 hours of battery life, making it the ideal choice for competitive gaming. While the 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection is preferred for gaming, the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless offers two alternative connection methods: Bluetooth and wired connections. For Bluetooth connection, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your PC. Put the headset into pairing mode by holding the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. Then search for HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless in your PC's Bluetooth settings. The Windows Bluetooth settings page makes it easy to add your headset. Click the Add Bluetooth or Other Device button to start the pairing process. Bluetooth connection offers good audio quality for music and calls, but has higher latency of 40 to 60 milliseconds compared to the wireless receiver. For a wired connection, simply use the included 3.5mm audio cable. Connect one end to the headset and the other to your PC's audio jack. The included 3.5mm cable features gold-plated connectors for optimal audio quality. The headset automatically switches to wired mode when connected. Here's a comparison of all three connection methods. The 2.4 gigahertz wireless offers the best balance of low latency and convenience for gaming, while Bluetooth works well for general audio, and wired provides the absolute lowest latency. Remember to configure your chosen connection method in Windows Sound settings for optimal performance. Each method offers different advantages depending on your specific use case.